Welcome back everybody to a brand new cryptocurrency video. My name is Moonlight. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, turn on notifications as well, because I do try and post almost every day, every couple days and whatnot. Make sure to follow me on all my social media as well. All links are going to be down below in the description. I have a very interesting video to showcase to you guys, especially for people that are interested in copy trading and just day trading in general. I actually got quite a bit of questions from a few friends regarding trading in a sense with crypto. Maybe it's like forex and stocks. Specifically, this is mainly for crypto, and I'm going to discuss and show you guys some of the trades on MacrosMatic. It's a huge platform that I think honestly outperforms a lot of the other platforms that you can get into day trading in crypto, in my opinion. I've come across like probably in the past 2 years, I want to say, because the crypto market's like, it's been up, it's been down. You guys have seen the past like week or so, crypto's just been fluctuating. It's very volatile. And this platform basically trades crypto. It trades like different pairs. And I'm going to show you and kind of explain a little bit more as we dive into the actual platform. But it's estimated that you can earn up to 16.6% per month. And that's basically going past through their data, which is directly on their site. So if you guys are interested, all links are going to be down below in the description. You can take a look at it yourself. You can actually go through the data. You can actually export the data, download it. You can even put it into ChatGPT, and ChatGPT can analyze it, and it'll even tell you how profitable this actually is and why this platform is actually really good to use. And if you guys are interested, again, links are going to be down below in the description, but I want to kind of do a deeper dive into the actual platform and kind of explain a little bit more on how MacrosMatic works. It does use like an AI NATA LSTM kind of program with it, like the network, I should say, the neural network. I'm not going to discuss too much of that because I'm not an expert by any means in like the technicalities behind it, but I know a lot of people that are interested in day trading want to know some of that information. So again, if you guys are interested to know anything more, everything's going to be down below in the description. They do have a couple videos on YouTube as well explaining a little bit more how MacrosMatic works, and they have kind of like, a few different things on their website as well. I want you guys to engage with it though, and see if it is a right fit for you and test it out yourself on their platform, because the bot itself has actually been doing really well. I'm going to show you the account right here that I have in. You guys can calculate everything. You can calculate how much you could potentially earn, everything. So this is obviously, I have nothing in the personal account, but if I go over to the trading section of their website, you guys can see this is like the trading portal, and it works good on mobile as well. Like if you want to do it on your phone, you can also. Some people are big into trading on their phone. Like when I was trading Forex, I primarily did it on my phone because you had like MetaTrader 5, you had MetaTrader 4, and some people actually were kind of following my little signals that I did in gold specifically because I was a big gold trader. But then, it came to a point where I just didn't want to trade Forex anymore. I would rather have stuck with crypto when I was trading Forex, because Forex is controlled by the banks and everything like that. And then most times if you're copying other people, like I was watching some other people do Forex trading, they're holding for long periods of time. And, with MacrosMatic, I'll show you guys some of the trades here. So you guys can see here, there's 10,222 USDT. For the past month, I've made about $534. And if you look at the trading history, it's all transparent for you guys. So if you want to test it out yourself, you can see here $36 made today, $27 yesterday. That was a loss the day previous, $33.66. But if you look at the profit, like the win-loss ratio, you can see how profitable it is on a longer term scale. And they're not holding like for 24, 48 hours like you see with some gurus on YouTube. I swear to God, they'll sell like their signal groups, right? And they'll hold for like, and have a drawdown of a ridiculous margin, like 50% drawdown. Whereas in this, it's only losing you, as you can see, I'm just going to open it. You can see the profitability 0.174%. So this is a short, right? This is a short on the BTC USDT pair. And you can see kind of how it, analyzed everything. You can kind of look at everything through it, if that makes sense. I'm not going to go to the technicalities, as you guys can see right here. They do take a commission from the trade, though, because it is a bot set up from MacrosMatic. It's about 25%. So as you can see here, users profit $17.72. You can see the profit ratio, how much they're taking from commission. You can see payment in the network, Matu, for example. And this is also if you are wanting to fund into your own account. It's going to be on the BEP20 network, so Binance. So you're not going to have to worry about fees or anything like that as well. But let me go over to this loss right here. So this was a $33 loss. You can see this is it's like a stop loss, right? So it'll stop at 0.33%. And that's for like every single trade. That's the max drawdown that you're going to have. You're not going to lose anything more than that because they're not, holding it for hours on end like you see with some platforms and some copy trading systems where you have to worry about a 50-60% drawdown, which I personally think is stupid. And I have somebody that I know personally that trades quite a bit as well, and like he doesn't do that either. So, and when I was doing it for Forex, I did ridiculous drawdowns. And sure, you may win a lot of the time. Moreover, like some of you guys have probably seen like maybe a year or 2 years back. I don't know if they're still up on my channel. I think maybe I've privated them. But when I was trading Forex, I would do risky ass trades. Like I think I made a video like a week and a half ago too on another platform where I just did ridiculous. I'm a gambler when it comes to it. And so like that's not what you want to do when you're trading. If you're looking for passive income, this is literally a platform that's doing it all for you. And they're just taking commission from it. So that's how they basically, function and make their money. Because obviously, if they're just giving you this bot, how are they making any money? That's where that 25% commission comes into effect, because they obviously need to make a money. You know what I mean? Like the platform in order to function and do its things, right? But you can do like an investing calculator as well. So say, for example, if you're somebody that has $1,000, right? You're willing to invest $1,000. And again, I'm not telling you to do anything. Take this as education and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor by any means. I'm not a financial expert of any sorts, especially with YouTube. I do have to say that, so just keep that in mind. I'm not telling you to do anything, but just say, for example, you put in, I'll just write it here, 1,000, right? And then this is the 1 month period. I'm not going to do that. Like say if you're somebody that's like maybe three months, right? You want to do 3 months. You know what? We could even do it 6 months. Maybe you're willing to invest this long term, right? And then frequency of deposits or withdrawals once a month. Results in 6 months, you could potentially get up to 1,400 to 1,700 USDT. Now, obviously, it's all going to vary, but profitability for this period would be between 36 to 57%, which is honestly insane. And it's going based off of the bot, right? And of course, on their website, you can look at all the data. Like this is updated live every single day, and you can see even the past 7 days. And as you can see at the bottom right here, trading profit, this is with everybody that's pooled in their funds. So it's not just, you're doing it and it's just one or two people, if that makes sense. It's like a group pool. You know what I mean? So there's a group of you doing it. And let me see if I can find that. I think that might be in the general statistics. Let me just see here. Yeah, so the volume of funds in the trade, so like the pooled funds, there's 630 participants. And over this period, it's about 6% in the last month profitability, which is about $4,670,659 USDT. That's a lot of money, right? And of course, look, this trade, for example, right? So that made in total $16,500 from all the people that participated. That's insane. Now, of course, the closing price, you could look at it. This was, again, a short BTC USDT pair. The leverage was about 3. And you can see everything calculated, kind of look at it yourself. Do your own research and kind of look over the statistics to see if this is going to, benefit you in any way. But in my personal experience using the platform, I think it's honestly overall something very beneficial. And probably, I would say if this keeps going on for like, say, another year or two, they're going to outperform a lot of other platforms out in the space. And they could probably grow to like easily, they could probably get hundreds of millions of dollars in this fund. Because I would call it a fund because that's kind of what it is. Like you have 630 participants. And the fact that they're open and transparent about it, that you can literally check everything on their site, the data, you can export it. Now, of course, if you are interested to take out your if you're interested to take out any of your money, you can move it to your personal account. So I'm not going to do that right now, but say if I wanted to, I could do $100. The fee is about 2 USDT, and then I could transfer that. But this is just going to stay for now. So I'm just going to let it kind of grow and see what happens, because in about a year it potentially could grow to like 30,000. That's what I'm kind of hoping to see, because like looking at this like for the past couple days, looking at the data and everything, again, you could download the data and export it. It'll just open up into a Sheets. Reading some of the reviews of other people like on their social media and whatnot, you can understand kind of how this site works. And they are licensed as well. I wanted to say that they are licensed by the National Bank of Georgia. So keep that in mind. It's not like it's just not licensed or regulated, if that makes sense. It is licensed. So, and they have videos on YouTube and whatnot explaining a little bit more in depth of how the bot kind of functions. But it is an AI trading bot, essentially. And that's basically what you're doing. You're copying the bot's moves. And obviously, trading bots are profitable long term. You know what I mean? So you got to keep that in mind. If you guys are interested to take a look at their Telegram, YouTube, Instagram, anything like that, you can see the certificate of registration at the very bottom as well as their operating license. So just keep that in mind when you're taking a look at it. Some people might, be iffy on it, but you don't have to worry about this platform. I'm personally really liking it so far. $534 for $10,000 just invested is insane. Like, just imagine if you do 100,000. But yeah, you guys, this is MacrosMatic, and again, they use that like an AI NADA LSTM kind of neural network, so it analyzes basically historical data and whatnot, and it kind of goes from there. It's a little technical. I'm not going to touch on that again because it's not my field. I'm not an expert, and I don't want to really say anything that I could be wrong about. So I would recommend, though, you guys do your own research. Take a look at the site. There's going to be links down below in the description. If you have any questions, just reach out to the team. Even comment them down below. And if you guys are going to put in any of your own capital, again, not financial advice, anything like that, but let me know in the comments how much you're going to be putting in and see for yourself. Okay, guys, I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys watching. I hope you guys all have a wonderful, safe trading, investing, gambling week. Let me know any thoughts on the current crypto market, anything like that. Crypto's been kind of down this past like 24 hours, 48 hours. But again, it's January and it's supposed to do that, just going based off previous cycles. And keep in mind, guys, watch out for the comments of people trying to get you to get into their wallet. Like they put in their secret passcode phrase. Just don't do that. It's a scam. Like they want you to obviously put money into the account and then they're going to take it. It's an obvious scam. I try and remove the comments. They're back up like instantly. So just keep that in mind. Don't fall for it, but I do really appreciate each and every one of you guys watching. Let me know what you think of this platform, and if you are going to try it out for yourself, let me know how much you've made in the past month or in the upcoming months to come. I'm probably going to do future videos on them because I do see the potential in this, and especially long term. Like long term, this could be insane. So yeah, but I appreciate each and every one of you guys watching. Have a wonderful, safe trading, investing, gambling week. I'm Moonlight, and I'll see you guys next time.